A very good morning to all the children of class 3 and welcome to your English literature class. We were doing Just Imagine. Today we will do only revision and we'll finish off with this beautiful poem. Okay. So before that we will read about and revise about Santini Govindan. Along with this we will also revise our spellings. Okay. So let's start. Santini Govindan is a widely published, award-winning author of children's literature in English. She has written more than 50 books, including poetry, picture books, and short stories for children of all ages. She is a dog lover and art enthusiast. We all know what is art enthusiast? Those who love art, whose hobbies include collecting bells. So what is her hobby? Is to collecting bells. We'll go through the poem spellings. Santini Govindan, S-A-N-T-H-I-N-I, Santini Govindan. Published, P-U-B-L-I-S-H-E-D. Award-winning, A-W-A-R-D, award, W-I-N-N-I-N-G. Poetry, P-O-E-T-R-Y. Picture book, P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture book, B-O-O-K. Dog lover, D-O-G-L-O-V-E-R. Art enthusiast, A-R-T, art, enthusiast, E-N-T-H-U-S-I-A-S-T. Next, collecting bells, C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-N-G, collecting bells, B-E-L-L-S. Okay. We'll move on to the poem. We'll just give a reading to the poem once. That is, just imagine if crocodiles had to brush their teeth the way I do every morning and night. Just imagine the number of toothbrushes they would need to keep all those rows of teeth sparkling white. If elephants had to use handkerchiefs every time they sneezed, hachoo, or they had a bad cold, just imagine how many hankies they would have to wash, to iron, and then fold. So what's the meaning of sparkling? It's shining. The new words are crocodiles, C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E-S, brush, B-R-U-S-H, teeth, T-W-T-H, morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, night, N-I-G-H-T, imagine, I-M-A-G-I-N-E, imagine, toothbrushes, T-W-O-T-H, toothbrushes, B-R-U-S-H-E-S, sparkling, S-P-A-R-K-L-I-N-G, elephants, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T-S, handkerchiefs, H-A-N-D, hang, cur, K-E-R, cur, chiefs, C-H-I-E-F-S. Okay. Sneezed, S-N-E-E-Z-E-D. Okay. We'll move on to the next portion of the poem. That is, just imagine if giraffes had to wear ties around their necks like I do to school every day. Just imagine how long those ties would be and how they would tangle, flutter, and sway. If centipedes had to wear boots with laces all fastened and tied up, just imagine what a tangle of legs there would be if just one of those laces wasn't done up right. If children like me had wings to fly, wings like birds, with which we could fly and soar up high, just imagine how many children there would be zooming about in the sky. So these are the new words, these are the meaning. You will learn them. Fastened, fixed, tied or attached to something. Like when you tie something to another thing, that's called fastened. Okay. Tangle, mixed up or twisted. Okay. So when you mix up your, what can I say? When you mix up your things, that is called tangling. Okay. We'll do the spellings. Giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E-S. Imagine, I-M-A-G-I-N-E. Imagine. Dangle, D-A-N-G-L-E, dangle. Flutter, F-L-U-T-T-E-R, flutter. Sway, S-W-A-Y. Centipedes, C-E-N-T-I-P-E-D-E-S. Laces, L-A-C-E-S. Fastened, F-A-S-T-E-N-E-D, fastened. There will be a gap. Tangle, T-A-N-G-L-E, tangle, two different words. Zooming, Z-O-O-M-I-N-G. Okay, so you will learn the spellings, you will learn the poem, and this is the worksheet, revision worksheet, which I have given to you all. Okay, this is revision worksheet number 1. Quote from your memory the first, wherever you have done the last worksheet, last revision worksheet of the previous lessons, you will do there. Okay, number 1, quote from your memory the first 8 lines of the poem Just Imagine. So you have to write the first 8 lines of the poem Just Imagine. Okay, quote from your memory means you will learn, you will put it in your memory, you will keep it, and from there you will write. Okay, number 2, filling the blanks from the poem. A, and how they would dangle dash and dash. B, all dash and tied up tight. C, if children like me had dash like dash. Very easy. D, dash about in the sky. We all know the spellings even, so you can do it yourself. Parents, you can copy the question for them, but please see to it that they do the answers themselves. Number 3, who am I? Who am I means you have to write the name. A, I wear ties like you all wear to school. Okay, you have to write the name here. B, I wash my hankies and iron them. My goodness, yes, we all know it. And number C, I am a dog lover. Yes, we all know it's the poet, though I gave you the answer, but you remember and write the spelling. Number 4, and the last one, mention only one thing you wish to do if you get wings like birds. For example, if I get wings like birds, I want to fly and I want to meet all my friends now. So that is only one thing I wish now. So you also mention only one thing which you wish to do if you get wings like birds. Okay. Thank you, children. That's all for today, and that's all for Just Imagine. In the next video, we will start with a new lesson. Okay. Thank you so much and have a nice day.